Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. You know, Tesla for so long has been a hype stock. It broke out around 40, made a nice big, well not even a nice big, but a huge move up, went up to 2.25 up here at the top. This was a fantastic spike up for a stock that really, you know, from an earnings perspective, and I realize it's a growth stock, but from an earnings perspective, way overdone. If you do the ABCD structures, you can see that these things have been completing to the downside. There's nested ones inside those, right, that also completed to the downside. And each one of these, if you look at them, and if you look at it from, say, a broader perspective and just kind of do what a weekly would look like, you know, these are stair-stepping lower. Broke a swing point low here. There's one more over here it's trying to break. Tested it, didn't quite get through it. If you look at it on a weekly, there's two of them down there. There's one here, there's one there. This is about to break on multiple time frames. And when it does, it's going to be look out below, because this thing's going to come all the way back after this huge, you know, run to the top side, right? Where you broke out right here, that huge spike up, right? It's going to finally top out here and there, and it's actually going to make its move back down. And that move back down is going to be a big one. As a matter of fact, I told you the wrong number. It got up to 291. That move back down is going to come back in to this low and this high. That little zone is right here. You really don't want to be in this stock on this move down. And, you know, that's the ideal place to buy if it comes back that far. It's trading at 181. That low, 116, that high 114.90. That's where it's going to try to get to. This break is going to be on multiple time frames, monthly, weekly, daily. That's the sort of thing you don't want to be in. Folks, if you're in Tesla, if you're thinking, okay, we finally got a pullback that I can buy, better make sure it doesn't break. If it breaks, you better get out of it. That's today's short take.